Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I'm here today with a planner related video. Today's video is a flip through of some sticker books that I got from Hobby Lobby. Some of them you've probably seen before, some of them you may not have, but I figured since I'm on this whole mini tiny sticker journey so I could zhuzh up my Hobonichi spreads, I figured I'd share these sticker books with you so you can see what I'll be using in my spreads going forward. So if you would like to see the flip through of all three of these sticker books, keep watching. So if you watched my plan with me in my Hobonichi from last week, you might have heard me mention that I had a sticker book from Happy Planner that at some time I figured I wasn't going to be using it, so I gave it away in my D stash. And then when I went to go look for it, I realized that I had given it away. So I didn't have the stickers that I wanted to use in my spread. So I decided to go to Hobby Lobby and see if they still had it, and they did. Now this is actually, it's not considered a Happy Planner sticker book. This is the MAMBI sticker book, the Me and My Big Ideas. And this is just a sticker with all the different kind of flowers that they have. And this one is called Life is Lovely. So it has 365 stickers, and on the back it kind of shows you what type of stickers they're in here. But let's go ahead and flip through this together. So again, the reason why I got this, and I'm going to talk while I flip through because the stickers are self-explanatory. The reason why I got this is because I wanted to have tiny stickers to use to layer throughout my spread instead of using my big stickers. And because a Hobonichi is tiny, these stickers will be perfect to use to do like my decoration. Because I wanted to try to start incorporating some of my old planning style, the things that I was doing originally in my Happy Planner, like laying my flower stickers on the boxes and cutting them in half and doing layering and things like that. And these stickers are going to be perfecto. I really like this gold foiling. Like, I'm really upset that I got rid of that sticker book, but you know, somebody else needed it and I didn't need it at that time. And then I like the fact that I have a few quote stickers that are sizable for a Hobonichi. And you know, you can use this in any size sticker book, but I got it specifically to use in my Hobonichi weeks. And here's more flowers. And that's that. So if you are looking for some small flower stickers, decorative stickers, this sticker book will be perfect. It's $4.99 at Hobby Lobby, and you know, if they don't have a sale, they always got their 40% off coupon. So these next two sticker books are from Carpe Diem, and these were actually the first two sticker books that I picked out because I had actually went into Hobby Lobby to find some note paper to put in my micro mini, but then I kind of started thinking like I got my own paper, or I can find a printable. So I decided to just kind of look down that aisle where the Happy Planner stuff was, and I saw these two sticker books, and I was like, oh my gosh, they have mini sticker books. So I ended up getting these two along with the one that I got from MAMBI. So these are cute. Each book has a lot of stickers, and for you guys that either don't want to order kits for your Hobonichis or want to be more creative and create your own kind of format, I highly recommend that you get these sticker books. This one is the Balloon. And this one is 568 stickers, and this is one is the Today with the Beautiful stickers, and this one also was $6.99, and there are 559 stickers, and each one of the books are $6.99. And again, you can always at least get one for 40% if they're not on sale. So let's go ahead and go through the Balloon sticker book first. So these have some really amazing colors, and of course the thing that caught my eye was the florals. And look at these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, and they are absolutely sized perfectly for your Hobonichi or again, any planner. But anytime you see me get a tiny sticker, automatically assume that they're going to be used in my Hobonichi. These are so cute. And then you have your circle and your hexagon stickers. Then you have your box stickers, and these are a little bit longer. Typically in the Hobonichi spread kits, they're more square, but these are more rectangular. But nevertheless, they're perfectly sized, and they will still fit in your box, and it'll allow you to have a little bit of layering. And this is another reason why I got them, because I can start doing some layering in my spreads. And then these clipboards, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with clipboard stickers now. After watching Nikki plus 3 do her Travel's Notebooks spreads with them, I absolutely love it. The different coffee cups, like, you cannot lose with this sticker book. Then you have your days of the week, which are perfectly sized. Y'all, look how adorable these are. And then you have some quotes up here, and then you have your quarter boxes and your half boxes. Then you have some tiny ones right here. Y'all know this is so cute. And then you have another kind of like deco and script page. Look at the box, and I'm absolutely in love with these ampersands. I hope I'm saying that right. So then here's some more smaller stickers, and I really like this part because, again, you can add these in your monthly sections if you want to like track certain things, because you know the little boxes on the Hobonichi are small. So yes, this sticker book has it all. Plenty of box stickers. Look at the script stickers. Y'all know they are so cute. And look at these right here. I love a good quote sticker and a banner. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Lisa Mack is going to love this. She loves her some florals. Then you have another page full of box stickers, trackers, checklist stickers. Some reason that word just kind of ties together and never comes out right. And more of your banner stickers. And that is the balloon. So now let's get into the beautiful. And this one is equally as gorgeous. These are more neutral kind of pastel colors. So for my planners that don't like a lot of bright colors, this planner is everything. Not planner, this sticker book. And look at these down here. So cute. And they both have a similar format, you know, with your circle stickers and your your hexagon stickers. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I feel like I might deviate from using the kit this week. I don't know. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at all these and signs, ampersands. Oh my gosh. Look. And look, just like in the last one, these pencils are actually like headers of notes, lists, important, remember, today's. And look at the coffee cups. So stinking cute. More of these. I love this. Then you have more of your sayings. You have this. And even if you do use a kit, you can still use this to coincide with your layouts, because, you know, if you are a deco functional planner like I am, this sticker book will be everything to you. Look at these colors. I gotta see. I know I got a kit that matches this. I really feel like I might incorporate these in my spread for this week. By the time you see this video, you will probably see what I ended up doing first, because I always do my Hobonichi plan with me's first before I do any of these videos. Okay, that's it. Alright, you guys, so that is my flip through and the 3 of my newest sticker books. Even though these aren't new, these sticker books have been in Hobby Lobby for a while, but these 2 are new to me. This one is a what's the word I'm looking for? It's reintegrating back into my stash. So if you like these, again, this one was $4.99. These two were $6.99 a piece. There's plenty of stickers in here. If you are, like I said, don't want to buy kits, or if you just more of a creative planner, or if you do more outlining in your Hobonichi and you like to add a pop of decoration, these sticker books will be perfect. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up, as well as drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you already have these and how it's been working out with you, and if you have used them in any of your Hobonichi spreads. So I would love to check them out. So if this has inspired you, and this has also, you know, just made you feel all good and ready to go spend some coins at Hobby Lobby, let your girl know. But no, seriously, if this video has inspired you, make sure you share this with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, planner fam, peace. All right, love, so this is my very mini, or maybe my tiny Hobby Lobby haul. I really like these sticker books. I'm gonna really love incorporating them into my spreads. Again, these aren't new sticker books. These have been in Hobby Lobby for a while, but these two books are new to me. I've never had them, and I think this is the first time I've actually purchased any Carpe Diem stickers. And then this one is just a you know, adding her back into my stash, because, you know, silly me, didn't think I was gonna need it. See, that's why I don't like to give stuff away, because you never know when you're gonna need it. It's like those shoes that you like, you know, they're not in style, but they gonna come back in style, and as soon as you give them away, everybody wearing them, and they like 2 to 3 times higher than what they were when you bought them. So yeah, so if you kind of straddling the fence about destashing, selling, or giving away something, hold off a little bit before you do that. I'm not saying don't give it away, but if you're uncertain, it's for a reason. And I'm learning to follow my spirit of discernment a lot better, because I've allowed a lot of stuff to slide by the radar because I wasn't listening to my spirit. So listen to your planner spirit. If you don't feel right about giving it away, selling it, or destashing it, keep it for a little while. But if you know you absolutely ain't gonna use it, go ahead and give it away. Bless somebody else. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got any of these sticker books, and if you are using them in your Hobonichi, or if you didn't think about using them in your Hobonichi. Go ahead and try it and tag me in any of your videos or any of your posts on Instagram. I'm herlovelyplan on all social media platforms. I would love to see your spreads, because not only do I do this to inspire you guys, I like them when y'all give me some inspiration too, because sometimes your girl out here need a little bit of motivation. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a big old thumbs up, and as well, drop me a comment below. So again, y'all check these sticker books out. $4.99. These two are $6.99 a piece, and you know Hobby Lobby always got that 40% off coupon. So if you buy all of them and none of them are on sale, at least you'll save 40% off on one. You dig? You know I'm all about trying to show you how to save at least a little bit. If we go spend, find out how to save. All right, guys. So until next time, loves. Peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.